So guys, see, look. Auntie is taking unasi, lot of unasi. Now we are going to eat this unasi. So look. Some of the friends are dancing here. Look. See. They are dancing. Hey, dance. Continue. Lagao. See guys, see. Look. Now we are going to eat this unasi. This unasi are made by rice, Maibra rice. What call in English? I don't know the Maibra rice. So look. There is lot of unasi, guy. We are now going to eat this like a refreshment. So I'm going to show you some of the friends that see. Itna dance kar rahe. They are dancing, guys. They are dancing. So welcoming the new year 2022. So guys, so we are very happy to welcome the new year 2022 this year. So that's why we are advance dancing and enjoying. So guys, look. So many people are dancing here. Like, see. So guys, so very happy year. Welcome 2022 कब आएगा यार? We are waiting for 2022 New Year. अरे यार. सबके लिए सुनाया मुबारक बातें जन्मा है तुम्हारे लिए इस धरती So guys, wish you all happy new year. So we have danced lot of. So this is the final home. So we have come here, this auntie's home. Now look, my auntie is dancing so nicely, taking the unasi, lot of unasi. So we are going to eat the unasi right now. So the dancing is Look, auntie is dancing so nicely, dancing. ओरै खिथि ओरै नङा फिथाखौ खिथि ओरै थिया खालाम ओरै खायलें खालाम So guys, we have danced lot of now this is the final. So now we are going to take some refreshment. This is refreshment. Unasi, we are going to eat this one.
Tempelnya lazani ginan marija chidone.
See guys, they are waiting for New Year 2022.
Yeah,
See,
very tasty to eat.
Unasi.
Yeah, you can see.
Hello, Baratar.
Hello, hi. How are you?
Mire. Oi, anti ko po siya ni.
Oh, okay.
Online channel guys, speaker pane.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
उसको तो ये lonely बैठा है.
Ah. He's alone. He has no friend. He is alone. They have done lot of guy.
Speaker pane.
And now they are getting tired and having refreshment with onasi. See.
Speaker
Sipi grip.
Lihat itu le. Oh. Hello Kaifer. Badam. Kaca badam.
Today is 28 December 2021 and the new year 2022 is very near to us. So we are waiting for new year 2022. We are very excited to welcome the new year 2022 and today we have danced lot of we have danced. So we are now all are getting tired. So see, they are here some of our friends. Our brothers are here sitting, getting tired. They are also, and I am also getting tired. So now we are sitting. So we are waiting for New Year and dancing lot of. And we have taken the refreshment with onasi.